Hello children's. Lesson number 5th, expansion formulae. Under this lesson today we are going to see the next part of the lesson, that is the means we seen the two expansion formulas. Day before yesterday we seen this expansion formula, and x plus a and x plus b, its expansion is the x square plus a plus into bracket a plus bx plus ab, and we solve the questions based on it. After that we use the expansion formula of a plus b brackets cube. Its expansion is the a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square and plus b square. Okay, and this also examples we solve. That's all the example, and I gave you homework as a 5.2 you have to solve. Okay, after that let us move towards the next expansion, and that expansion formula is the a minus b brackets cube. So how the formula is derived, that we will see at first. A minus b brackets cube. So see here all of you, a minus b bracket cube means a minus b bracket cube means a cube, a minus b brackets 3 time multiplication. Okay, so here a minus b, another bracket a minus b, and here a minus b. Okay, this means only a minus b. Yesterday how we solve the same method, means a plus b is one bracket, we have to keep it here separately, and a minus b bracket square. These two brackets means a minus b bracket square. So first of all this bracket right here as it is a minus b. And what is the factorization of a minus b bracket square? The factorization of a minus bracket square is the a square minus 2ab plus b square, and that we had seen yesterday in last year, sorry, yesterday not. The next step of it is that the a, you just take the first term from the first bracket, that is the a, and multiply it with the whole bracket, second whole bracket, a square minus 2ab plus b square, bracket complete. And this minus b just multiply it with the whole bracket, so minus b into bracket a square minus 2ab and plus b square. Now we have to multiply this whole bracket with this a. So here a into a square, indices inside, you knows that base is same and multiplication is there, then we are doing the multiplication of adding the index of the both. Okay, both the in terms. So a into, now we have to multiply this with the minus 2ab. So here first of all minus, sorry, here a cube was there, minus, plus into minus, minus 2 is the coefficient, it will remain as it is. A into a, this a into a is equal to a square, and b right here as it is. Okay, now a multiply with this b square next, so plus a b square. Now the same steps we have to follow for this also bracket. So minus b into a is equal to a square b, minus minus plus, okay, minus into minus plus b into 2ab means 2ab square. Okay, and then next is the a b into minus b square, so minus b cube is here. Okay, so a cube right here as it is, because nothing is here for the addition with the a cube. Next a square b and a square b terms we will do the what, addition, subtraction, whatever is there. So minus 2a square b and minus 1a square b, so it is totally 3a square b. Okay, and then a square, ab square and plus 2ab square, its sum is the plus 3 ab square, and the remaining b square we have to write here as it is. So here minus b's cube. Okay, so this is the factorization of a minus b brackets cube. What is its factorization? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube is the factorization of a minus b brackets cube. Okay, so note down this all of you, and it is given in our textbook also. So here it is the factorization. At last what we got it here, that is a minus b brackets cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube. In this way we find the factorization of a minus b brackets cube. The next based on this, let us solve the example. Okay, so first of all we will write the example x minus 2 brackets cube, x minus 2 bracket cube. So here it is x minus 2 brackets cube. Okay, you know that a minus b brackets cube factorization is the brackets cube. Its factorization is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b's cube. Same formula we have to use here. In this example, inside the a's place is taken by whom? X, and minus b is equals to what? 2 is there. Okay, so according to formula, first we will factorize this. A cube means first term square. Here first term is the x, so here what we have to write, I will write it here downside because I need the whole line. So is equal to x cube minus, okay, 3a square b. So 3, it is from the formula, a square means x square and b means into 2. Okay, then next step of it is that plus 3a means x and b square means into 2's square. Okay, into 2's square. Otherwise you can write here in the bracket also into bracket 2's square. Okay, and at last negative b cube means minus 2's cube. Okay, so according to formula how it is given, same way we had done here, it's a factorization. So let us solve this. So here we will take the first term square, it will remain here as it is, that is the x cube, that is x cube. Now we have to solve this whole because in between it is means multiplication it is there, that we have to solve at first. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6x square, 3 2s are 6 and x square. Now plus 3, 2 square is 4. You can add here one more step, otherwise you can write here as it is also, no problem. So 4 3s are 12, 2 square is 4 and 4 3s are 12x and plus 2, sorry, plus not, minus 2's cube is the 8. So it is the factorization of x minus 2 brackets cube according to formula, that is a minus b brackets cube is equal to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus 3b means minus b cube. So in this way all of you solve the example using the factorization formula. Okay, after this example if you see here, you will notice that the same answer is here. Now next example is the expand 4p minus 5q, expand 4p minus 5, 1 minute, 4p minus 5q cube. So here 4p minus 5q brackets cube. According to formula, first term square we have to take. So first term square is the sorry, square not cube, we have to take 4p brackets cube minus 3a square means 4p bracket square, b means 5 cube. Okay, so formula inside, how is the formula? I will write it here. I will write it with different colors so you will understand it. So a minus b brackets cube is equals to a cube minus 3, you have to learn this formulas, 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b cube is the factorization formula, and that we are using while solving the example. Now we are here 3 minus 3a square b, we wrote it here. Now plus 3a square ab square, so plus plus 3a, a means 4b, and b square means 5q square, 5q square, and minus b cube means minus b cube means minus into bracket 5q bracket cube. Okay, so according to formula we factorize this 4p minus 5q. Now let us solve the forwards. Is equal to 4 cube, 4 4 the 16, 16 4 the 64p cube. Okay, now we have to solve this part of the example. So minus here 3 into bracket 4 square is the minus 3 into bracket 4 square is the 16, p square is the p square. Okay, and then here 5q minus 3, sorry minus not, plus 3 into bracket 3 4 is a 12, if we are taking then also no problem, but we will solve in next step only. 4q and 5 square is the 25q, 5p 25q square I will do the multiplication because space is not sufficient. So 3 4 is a 12p plus 12p, and 5 square is the 25q square, and 5 cube is the 5 5 is a 25, and 25 5 is a 125q cube. Okay, so in this way the second step. Now the last step is the 64p square cube. Do this multiplication of this all. Okay, 16 5 is a 80, 8 3 is a 24, and here 240p square cube. Okay, plus multiplication of this. Okay, so here 25 into 12. Okay, so 25 2 is a 50, 5 is carry, 25 1 is a 25, plus 5 is equal to 300 pq square. Okay, sorry, 25 1 is a 25, 25 2 is a 50, 5 carry, 25 1 is a 25, plus 5 is equal to 30. Yes, correct. So 300 pq square minus 125q cube. Okay, is the solving of 4 minus 5q, 4p minus 5q brackets cube. So according to formula we factorize it at first, and then we just write it's a solving. Okay, so in this way you have to solve the example by using the factorization. So our answer is the 64p cube minus 240p square cube plus 300pq square and minus 125q cube. Okay, if it signs are here, we have to check with each and every step. Okay, then we will get the answer of the question. Now the next is the, see here our answer and this answer, we factorize this. Okay, but I give here steps for better understanding. And the last is the, we have to find out the 99's cube. So how to find the 99's cube? By using our factorization formula. So 99's cube is equals to, 99's cube means what? 100 minus 1 brackets cube. Okay, so 100 minus 1 means 100 minus 1 means 99. So first of all, according to formula, first we have to take 100's cube minus 3 a square means 100 square into 1. The next plus 3 ab square means into 100 into 1 square, and minus 1's cube. Okay, so let us solve this. So 100's cube is 1's cube is 1, and you have to triple these zeros because it is cube. If you done the multiplication of 100 into 100 into 100, you will get here this 10 lakh, and then minus 100 square is, we have to write 3 into 100 square is the 1000, 10,000. Okay, into 1 means its value is same only, plus 100, 3 into 100, 3 into 100, 300, and 1 square is 1 only. So here it is 300 minus 1. You just solve this, you will get the required answer. So here 3 into 10,000 is the 30,000. Okay, and then plus 300 and minus 1. Solve this, you will get the answer. Okay, so first of all, here 0 minus 0, 0. We will solve this first. Okay, this minus 0, 0, 0. Here 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. Here 9. Okay, so 97,000 is the answer. 9,70,000 is its answer. Okay, and then here its a subtraction is the 299. Okay, if you done the addition of this both, you will get 970,299. Okay, so it is the cube of which 99. Okay, okay, so note down this. So here 970,299. See here 970,299 means 9,70,295 is the answer of which 99's cube. So in this way, today we'll see the solving of or factorization of the which a minus b brackets cube, and its factorization is a cube minus 3a square b. Okay, and then plus 3ab square and plus minus b cube is its a factorization. Okay, and the next one more example is there, fourth question is there, and its solving is there, simplification is there, that we will see in your next lecture. So your today's work is that you have to complete the question number first, means expand this by using the formula, that is a minus b brackets cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square and minus b's cube. Okay, by use this formula and factorize this. Next question, second question, you are going to solve in your next lecture. I will explain you, then you solve. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Next part we will see in our next lecture. So okay, thank you and have a good day.